What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, we need to take some time to talk about Terra Luna Classic because this is a huge deal. People look at it and they're like, oh, maybe Terra Luna Classic's dead. It's not really moving. It's flat, everything like that. But if you didn't know what happened in the last couple of days, things have been dropping, right? You see Bitcoin that's down to some of its lowest lows that it's been to in quite some time. Ethereum's down to a low point. You're seeing BNB that's down to a low point. Cardano that's down to a low point, Solana that was down to a low point. We're starting to see things come back right now, but things were dropping so much. But there was one cryptocurrency that definitely avoided a major drop, and that was Terra Luna Classic, which is a huge deal. So while you're looking at everything else drop to lower lows, you're seeing Terra Luna Classic kind of hover. And yes, it has dropped a little bit, but it's nowhere near where we expected it to drop for a crash, especially with what was going on with FTT, FTX, and Sam Bankman-Fried and Binance and all of that stuff. So we'll get into this. We're going to get into where Terra Luna Classic is, where the market is, and why we're not really seeing any type of drop or any type of major activity with Terra Luna Classic. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. Patreon, you can message me directly. We can talk. I definitely chat with everybody that is a Patreon member. I release a lot of videos that are over there. So educational videos, educational content, more than what you would get on YouTube, because mostly you're getting like single currencies or projects on this channel. So definitely go and check that out. But let's talk about Terra Luna Classic today. If we go into the markets are actually slightly up today. You know, you're seeing it up 5% in the last 24 hours, up to an $869 billion market cap. Things were down for the last couple of days, but it's good to see things that are making a move back up, whether it's Bitcoin up 2%, Ethereum up 6 or 7%, seeing BNB that's up 5%, XRP that's up 8%, Polygon that's up 30%. So things are definitely making positive moves today, and I'm happy about that. But when we look at what happened, because all of them fell so hard, so you're expecting some sort of an increase. But since all of them fell so hard, you're going to see those bigger increases. But what you're seeing with Terra Luna Classic, right, when we go into Terra Luna Classic, we scroll down here and go to 35th, you're going to see that Terra Luna Classic is slightly down 3%. How is it down while everything else has recovered from these low points? Well, that's because Terra Luna Classic is different than all the rest. It is a position that holds very, very strong. The community understands what it is, and it's not about the short game for Terra Luna Classic. It's about the long game. You have people that are staked in the position, people that believe in what this is. You're not going to see a ton of out volume with something that has that much potential. That's the reason why, right? Staked coins, and then people that are holding for that long-term outcome. Things that this gets to a penny or gets to a dollar or whatever. So let's go into where Terra Luna Classic is. Let's talk about the price point. It says that it's up 6%, so it's actually down. I don't know what it keeps doing, but it's down 2.6%. It's at 0.00019. I firmly expected, and I was looking for it, as I saw Bitcoin drop, as I saw Ethereum drop, as I saw so many other positions, Solana drop ADA. I expected Terra Luna Classic to get to a point to where it may have gained a zero. If it gained a zero, you would be able to pick up a million Terra Luna Classic for probably like $90 or maybe even less, depending on how far it falls. If it fell down to 0.00005, it would be $50 per million, meaning that you would be able to get 4 times as much than where you were before, because we were at 200 or 2000, 0.0002 versus being at 0.00005. So 4x from there is 0.0002. You got that. So you have been able to get more Terra Luna Classic with a drop. So I asked on Twitter recently, literally just, I don't know, a few minutes ago, 21 minutes ago, did you buy any Lunic in this recent drop? And someone actually commented and said, there was a drop. Terra Luna Classic didn't get the memo. And you're right. Terra Luna Classic did not get the memo because the people that are holding Terra Luna Classic is a strong community that understands the potential gain, and all they're doing is dollar cost averaging into it as they see these lows, rather than selling their Terra Luna Classic altogether. So that's the difference maker between Lunic and any other position that's out there. So it's definitely a really, really strong position there. So let's go back into where Terra Luna Classic is right now and just give you an update on where things are. So again, currently we're at 0.00019. The high point was 0.00021. We are seeing that the volume is up 25% at about $600 million. We obviously want to see that circulating supply, max supply decrease, because we want to be able to increase that price ceiling, not necessarily increase the price right where it is, but increase the price ceiling. So when we do have that eventual bull run, this will run very, very far, and see it, instead of at a level of maybe a penny, seeing it at a level of 2 pennies or 5 pennies or 10 cents or $1. It depends on how much we can actually burn off. But I think utility in the future will be strong with this. And, you know, seeing the burns as well, I think we will have a massive amount of burns, but only time will tell. Currently, the market cap is sitting at a 1.2 or almost $1.3 billion market cap, which still keeps it in line with the top cryptocurrencies, still in the top 50, looking at it at 35 listed by market cap. Now, again, if we look at the last 7 days, you know, we can see that we've been up to 26. We increased up to 26, you know, on the 25th, on the 5th. But then we saw this decrease here, and this is where we started to see that collapse, right? It started to fall. It fell down to this low point of 0.00017. That is not a major difference from 0.00027 or wherever it was, I guess 0.00022. It's not much of a difference. So did it have a major collapse? No. Did it fall? Yes, it did fall a little bit. You expect everything to have some sort of a decrease because people are selling their positions on FTX, not just getting out. They're selling it, getting into like stable coins and putting it into other places. That's why you see stablecoin volume so high. But Terra Luna Classic didn't have the major moves that you would see with something like FTX or FTT, or even looking at something like, let's go back to seeing Ethereum and seeing how hard that has dropped in the last 7 days. You know, seeing this up at 1,564 all the way down to 1,000. Right, losing about $500 worth of value, a third of the position. That's not what you're seeing with Terra Luna Classic. You saw maybe, 20% at max. It might have been 10%. Seeing that, you're seeing it kind of not go with the market, go with Ethereum, go with Bitcoin, while Bitcoin is dropping. And even Ethereum didn't drop as much as Bitcoin did, because Ethereum has some major strength, but Bitcoin definitely dropped much more. So it wasn't flowing with the market here. So if we look at the last 7 days, we're going to see it at a level of 20,000 all the way down to 15,000. So about a $4,000, $5,000 loss if you're holding one Bitcoin. You know, that's huge. That's a big drop. So anyways, yeah, let me know what you think about this. Did you feel like Terra Luna Classic had a drop? Were you expecting more? I know I was, because I was like, if I can find this to where it gains a 0, I'm definitely taking a short-term gain in this, taking a short-term position and buying $1,000 more to turn that into possibly $4,000. Because if it went down to where it gained another 0 to 0.00005 and then went back up to 0.0002, that would be a 4x return, turning $1,000 into $4,000 very quickly. However, you know, it seems like Terra Luna Classic really holds strong at some of these levels. So this is definitely huge news, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. If you guys want to follow me on Patreon, follow me on Twitter, go ahead and follow me. The links are down there in the description. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.